subsequently. The message has to be to both sides in the civil war, and both sides have chemical weapons, we know. If we don't...
We know the rebels have chemical weapons?
If we don't send a strong signal, then there's a chance that either side might use chemical weapons again. The difficulty, and I think where Parliament wanted more debate and more information, was what happens if we send this signal and they do it again? That was the fear of escalation that Parliament was worried about. And I think that's a genuine worry.
Nobody has, and I agree with Liam. I mean, the problem with this approach all along, and I fear it's the problem with President Obama's stance, or his posturing, I'm afraid, at the moment, is what comes next. What are the consequences? Would there be retaliation? Would there be escalation? What about the collateral consequences? Yes, chemical weapons are abhorrent. There is a red line, but they account for only 1% of all the casualties in this awful Syrian conflict. So you're not dealing with the 99%, and that can only be...
It is a war crime, and the price of what might have to be paid in terms of intervention has to be weighed against the price of doing nothing. And if the international community sends